All right, friends, you made it to day 3. Your learning objective is to factor a quadratic polynomial with the leading coefficient other than 1 using the modified x or the butterfly method. Your language acquisition objective is the same as before. Explain how to factor polynomials using academic vocabulary, today's focus notes. And our essential question is, how is factoring a quadratic trinomial when the leading coefficient other than 1 different from factoring a quadratic trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1? So yesterday, all of our a's were 1s. Today, our a's are not going to be 1. So let's just revisit our sign rules, because the sign rules still apply here. So we're still using the same butterfly. That has not changed. The formula is still the same. Our sign rules are also still the same, but let's just recap. So remember, if C is positive, we look for numbers that add to be our B term. In addition, if our C term is positive, the signs in both of our factors will be the same as our number of our B term. So if B is positive, they'll both be positive. If our B term is negative, they'll both be negative. Okay, so then if C is negative, we look for numbers that will subtract to be our B term. In addition, if our C is negative, then our signs and our factors will be different. And we'll have one positive and one negative. Let's get into some examples now.